I also request to everyone to introduce yourself. Let me go to Shan. Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Mohammad Mahila Bishan. I am from Mymensingh. I read in class 8 at Mymensingh Village School. I am also a student of BS Botany. Thank you all.
Let me go to Mahi. Mahi.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Mahi Ajannat Mahi. I live at Nandal in Mymensingh. I am a student of Kishoreganj Government Mahila College. I am also student of Glyph Spoken English.
Thank you. Let me go to Mim. Can you introduce yourself?
I am Mim. I live at Kotiadi in Kishoreganj. I study at BBA course and I am also student of Glyph Spoken English.